Botox is a purified protein, a purified neurotoxin of botulinum toxin A made by a company called Allergan, and it is injected into the muscles in the face, and it weakens those muscles so that wrinkles cannot form. If it is received from a reputable source by a physician, injected in the correct amount, in the correct locations, it is 100% safe. Botox is typically used for the upper one half of the face. We put Botox into the forehead, those horizontal creases. We put Botox into the glabella or the scowl area when people are mad. And then the Botox is also used in the crow's feet, which often form when people smile. Botox gives great results. The best patient for Botox is the 30 to 50-year-old person who has what we call dynamic wrinkles. And those are wrinkles that form when the person moves those muscles. Now, if a person is 60 or over, we often get into wrinkles that are static, meaning deep creases that are always there, and Botox is not ideal for that person. Botox tends to last about 3 to 4 months, and then the effects begin to fade, and the person or patient will notice that they can move those muscles again, and so that is time for another injection if the results are wanted to be maintained. I have found that the more injections a person has, the weaker the muscles become and the longer it lasts, and therefore we use less of the Botox and it needs to be repeated less often.